The CARESKY Shiatsu Foot Massager is designed to provide comprehensive foot pain relief through its combination of kneading, scraping, rolling, and shiatsu techniques. With its 3-speed control, direction rotation options, and adjustable timer settings, this foot massager allows for a highly customizable and personal massage experience. The massager features a 3-level heating system that can reach up to 122 degrees Fahrenheit, promoting enhanced blood circulation and benefiting users with leg or foot edema. Equipped with a 360-degree adjustable handle, it can be easily positioned to target muscles in the feet, ankles, calves, or legs, which makes it portable and versatile. The inclusion of a remote control ensures ease of use, particularly for individuals with reduced mobility, while the detachable and machine-washable foot sleeves offer a hygienic massage experience. Designed to accommodate feet up to size 14, it conveniently fits a wide range of users, making it accessible and user-friendly for everyone.